Hi, I'm Tim from BBC Learning English, and today I'm going to tell you about 3 useful words: because, as, and since. These are all used to give reasons. Because is more common than as or since, and we use it when we want to focus on the reason. I'm tired because I didn't sleep very well. When we want to give extra focus to the reason, we can put the because clause at the beginning of the sentence. Because my bed is uncomfortable, I'm getting a bad back. As and since are more formal than because, and we use them to focus on the result rather than the reason. I hope Tom's brought that comic, as I wanted to borrow it from him. Noodles are popular since they're easy to cook. We often use as and since clauses at the beginning of the sentence. Just remember to add a comma.